Controlled chaos often produces the most interesting abstract visuals. Today, how to create chaotic particle burst effect. Open Photoshop and create a square 2000 pixel canvas with a black background. Add a new white-filled layer and apply Add Noise at 85% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate bright specks and change blend mode to screen. Duplicate the layer and use Free Transform to stretch it slightly in one direction. Add motion blur at a low angle for subtle streaking. Reduce opacity to prevent harsh contrast. Mask out central areas to keep focus clean. Group everything and adjust overall intensity. This approach creates a dynamic